Camels are captivating animals that have played an important role in human history. They are known for their unique adaptations to harsh environments, which have made them valuable assets to people living in desert regions. In this video, we will explore some interesting facts about camels, including their physical characteristics, behavior, and historical significance. Whether you are a fan of animals or just looking to learn something new, this video will provide you with a wealth of knowledge about these remarkable creatures. Camels are easily recognizable by their distinctive physical characteristics, as well as their impressive size and weight. They are among the largest land mammals, with adult males weighing up to 2,200 pounds and standing as tall as 7 feet at the shoulder. Camels have long, curved necks and humps on their backs, which are used to store fat reserves that allow them to survive for long periods without food or water. They have broad, flat feet with tough soles that are well adapted to walking on sand and other soft surfaces, as well as long, powerful legs and large, padded knees that help them to kneel and stand up easily. Their thick, shaggy fur protects them from the intense heat of the desert during the day and the cold temperatures at night. Camels are well known for their ability to survive in harsh environments, such as hot and arid deserts. One of their key adaptations is their ability to store large amounts of water in their bodies. Their humps are not actually filled with water, as many people believe, but with fat, which is metabolized into water and energy when needed. Camels also have thick fur that insulates them from the heat during the day and keeps them warm at night. Their nostrils can close to prevent sand from entering their respiratory system, and their bushy eyebrows and long eyelashes protect their eyes from the sun and sand. Additionally, camels can go for long periods without water, thanks to their efficient metabolism and ability to conserve water by producing dry feces and minimal urine. These adaptations have allowed camels to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth and have made them a valuable resource for human populations in these areas. There are two distinct types of camels: dromedaries, also known as Arabian camels, and Bactrian camels. Dromedaries are found throughout the Middle East and northern Africa, while Bactrian camels are primarily found in Central Asia. The most obvious physical difference between the two types of camels is the number of humps on their backs. Dromedaries have a single hump, while Bactrian camels have two. Dromedaries are also generally taller and slimmer than Bactrian camels, with longer legs and a more angular head. Bactrian camels, on the other hand, are shorter and stockier, with rounder faces and shorter legs. Both types of camels have adapted to survive in their respective environments, with dromedaries thriving in hot and dry desert regions and Bactrian camels surviving in colder, more mountainous areas. Despite their physical differences, both dromedaries and Bactrian camels are remarkable creatures that have played an important role in human history and continue to fascinate people around the world. Camels are well adapted to survive in harsh environments where food can be scarce. They can go for long periods of time without eating, thanks to their unique metabolism and the ability to store energy as fat in their humps. When they do eat, camels have a varied diet that consists of grasses, leaves, and thorny plants that many other animals cannot digest. They are also able to consume salt water, which can be a valuable resource in desert regions where fresh water is scarce. Despite their ability to eat a wide range of foods, camels are still susceptible to malnutrition if they do not have access to enough food or water. In addition, overgrazing by domesticated camels can have a negative impact on fragile desert ecosystems, leading to desertification and loss of biodiversity. Camels are social animals that form strong bonds with their herd members. They communicate with each other through a variety of unique behaviors, such as spitting, grunting, and moaning. Spitting is a common behavior that camels use to communicate dominance or to express displeasure. They will also spit at potential threats to defend themselves and their herd. Grunting and moaning are other vocalizations that camels use to communicate with each other, often during courtship or when caring for their young. Camels are also known for their stubborn nature, which can make them difficult to train or handle. However, once they form a bond with their human handlers, they can be loyal and affectionate companions. Despite their reputation for being difficult, camels are fascinating animals with complex social structures and unique behaviors that continue to intrigue and fascinate people around the world. Camel reproduction is an important aspect of their survival in the wild and in domestication. Female camels, also known as cows, reach sexual maturity at around 3 to 4 years old, while male camels, known as bulls, reach sexual maturity at around 4 to 5 years old. During the breeding season, which typically occurs in the cooler months, male camels will compete for access to females, often engaging in vocal and physical displays to establish dominance. Female camels have a gestation period of around 13 months and typically give birth to a single calf, which they will care for and nurse for up to 2 years. Camels can breed and give birth in harsh desert environments, which has made them a valuable resource for human populations in these areas. However, like many other aspects of camel behavior and biology, there is still much to learn about camel reproduction, and ongoing research is important for understanding and conserving these fascinating animals. Camels have played a significant role in human history, particularly in regions where the climate and terrain are challenging. For thousands of years, camels have been used as transportation and pack animals, carrying people and goods across long distances through deserts and other harsh environments. They have also been used in warfare, with armies using camels to transport soldiers, supplies, and weapons. Beyond their practical uses, camels have also had a profound impact on human culture, inspiring literature, art, and religious traditions. Camels are mentioned in ancient texts such as the Bible and the Quran, and they have been depicted in art from around the world, from cave paintings to modern sculpture. In some cultures, camels are revered as sacred animals, while in others they are a symbol of resilience and endurance. Whether they are carrying people across the desert or inspiring artists and writers, camels continue to play an important role in human history and culture. In summary, camels are fascinating animals with many unique features and adaptations that enable them to thrive in harsh desert environments. From their humps that store fat for energy to their ability to close their nostrils and conserve water, camels have evolved to survive in conditions that would be impossible for many other animals. They are also important to human societies in many parts of the world, serving as a transportation and sources of milk, meat, and wool. Despite facing threats such as habitat loss and hunting, camels continue to play an important role in many cultures and ecosystems.